Today we're going to install an attic ladder. This will give us easy access to additional storage space. Welcome to another episode of All Things Woodworking. I'm your host, Aaron. I've provided additional information in the description. Please leave a comment on what videos you'd like to see next. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy what you see. When the house was remodeled about 25 years ago, the dining room wall was pushed back to make room for the hutch. This cut off part of the access to the attic, making it very difficult to enter. Today, with the help of Evan, we are going to install an attic ladder. I had a general idea where I wanted the attic stairway. First thing I did was make sure that there wasn't any major wiring or structural elements preventing me from putting it in that area. Then we cut a small access hole to make it easier to get the tools and supplies up. Next, we cut it to the final length. They make attic stairways that will fit between rafters on 24-inch centers. So this next step could be skipped by buying a smaller version. I like the wider entrance, so I chose a 25.5-inch model. First you cut the rafters, then double up the 2x4s to span to the third rafter. Doing this disperses the load to the two uncut rafters. This is done at both ends of the attic stairway, so now you have an opening the size required to install the attic stairway. Next, we installed the temporary trim pieces. These hold the attic stairway in the hole by its frame. By doing this, you'll be able to open up the attic stairway to work on the permanent installation. Now we put in wood screws and shims to make sure it was square in the hole. The quickest way to check this is to close the door. The door is square, so when you close it, you should see the same amount of frame all the way around. Then install the leg bolts per the instructions. Now we're ready to remove the trim boards. The attic stairway that I purchased is meant for ceiling heights ranging from 7 feet 8 inches to 10 feet 3 inches. In our case, the ladder was too long. We cut the bottom of the ladder off to suit our needs. The good news is it comes with feet that get bolted onto the ladder. So your cuts don't need to be super accurate. You fully extend the ladder, slide the feet on, and bolt them in place. We are now ready to use our new access to the attic. Thank you for joining us on this episode of All Things Woodworking. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed what you've seen.